أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيد المرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Assalamu alaikum all the members are present in this program. How are you? I hope you all are well at this moment. I want to say about the political side and the present Muslims life. We all the Muslims are very acting position at this time. We should not hate other Muslims. We should not unbelieve the Muslims brothers. We all are Muslim. It is our unity. We believe La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Almighty Allah is our creator. It is our unity movement. So we do not have a division position. We have unity that Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is our prophet, and we all the Muslims say prayers for Almighty Allah. We call all day La ilaha illallah, La ilaha illallah, La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. It is formality of unity process. So we all the Muslims are brothers. We all should remember our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Al Quran is our life. Al Quran is our guideline. We should believe that Al Quran and Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is our instructor. We should not quarrel about Muslims activities, because all the Muslims believe Al Quran. So we are Muslim. It is our unity. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. My mobile number is 01741080051 01741080051.